Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear students. I hope you're all doing well. And today is the second part of the same lesson we started before, Unit 9, Lesson 1. Today is the use of English part. And the most important thing is to know your lesson objective. Today we're going to study the comparative and suppletive forms and how you compare two things or more things for long adjectives. If you remember from last year and the years before, if you're comparing two things together, so you say, for example, Mr. Ahmed is taller than Mr. Khalid, for example. So if you have other types of as this one, we say short, shorter, the shortest. If we have other kinds of adjectives, and they are long adjectives, and this is what we are targeting today, you use more or less if they are two. For example, if you say, this student is more intelligent than his brother, for example. This car is more expensive my previous car or my last car. This or the lion is more dangerous than the zebra, for example. But if you're talking about more than two, so you're getting the best of everything, so you say the most. Or if it's the lowest, so you're going to say the least. For example, he is the most intelligent in his class, or he's the least achieving student in his class, for example. So this was the very important part to present. If you get to your books, you will find an exercise that is relevant to that one. Yes, it is here. More, most, less, least, fewer, fewest. And it's very important to know that we use those ones before adjectives and even before nouns. You can even use them before adverbs, as you can say more quickly, less quickly, or he's the least quickly, and so on. Now, looking at the exercises here together, we need to read the use of English, which we already explained, and use the information in the bar chart here, as you can see, and you use them in exercise from exercise 1 to fill in the gaps in this exercise using more, most, less, least, fewer, or fewest. So let's search for the answers together, and I'll give you 1 minute to read them, and then we write the answers together. Okay, everybody, so number 1, for example, cycling was popular than badminton. So if you look back and you compare both of them, cycling was 3.5%, while badminton was 2.2. Yes, was more popular. So we're going to write on the board together, and you will see at the end, more popular. Number 2, swimming was popular sport. So look at swimming and compare it to the others, and it seems to have the highest number or the highest percentage, 10.1. So what are you going to put here? Yes, exactly, the most popular sport. The most popular sport. Number 3, basketball was popular than volleyball. So if you compare basketball and volleyball, you'll find that basketball was less popular than volleyball. Basketball was less popular than volleyball. And it goes the same for the other sentences, which you are going to cover with your teachers during the online sessions, as well as some pages of the workbook. If you have any questions concerning this part, do not hesitate to approach your teachers through the website. See you soon. Assalamu alaikum.